Kids Tunes Miku, a collection of fairy tales and children's stories. Like and subscribe. The Sleepy Dragon Who Forgot to Snore. In a distant valley, hidden beneath a starry sky, lived a little dragon named Drogo. Drogo was known as the cutest dragon because every night, he snored loudly like a soft drum. But tonight, Drogo sat on a large rock, yawning widely. Drogo, I'm so sleepy, but why can't I snore? HHHMMM, HRRRGGHH, grr, HHH, Still can't, Drogo panicked. Without the sound of snoring, he couldn't sleep soundly. And when the little dragon didn't sleep, the whole forest became restless. The birds whispered, "Why is the forest so quiet tonight?" The rabbit said, "Usually there's the sound of Drogo snoring." Drogo decided to seek help before sunrise. Drogo walked through the trees and arrived at the valley of the whispering wind, where the wind sang softly. A little fairy named Lina appeared, holding a glow stick. "Lina, Drogo, why aren't you asleep yet?" "Drogo, I forgot how to snore. Without it, I can't sleep." Lina smiled warmly. "Lina, calm down, let's find your lost voice." Lina waved her wand, summoning the sounds of nature. The wind swirled, the trees hummed, even the waterfall danced, but none of it sounded like Drogo's snoring. Drogo, did I fail, Lina? Lina, not yet. We still have one place, the Cave of Happy Echoes. Drogo nodded and followed Lina into the cave. Inside the cave, any sound could become a beautiful echo. Drogo tried to make a small sound. Drogo, HHH triple A. The cave responded with a cute echo. Echo in the cave, HHHH triple A. Lina chuckled. Lina, try to relax. Take a deep breath, and imagine you're sleeping soundly. Drogo closed his eyes, took a deep breath. Drogo, HHHRRRMM, HRRRR. Gruunk, the cave echoed. GGRRONNNKKK. Drogo was surprised. Lina exclaimed happily. Lina, yes, that's it. You found your snoring sound again. Drogo smiled happily. He lay on the cave floor, starting to doze off. The sound of his soft snores filled the cave and the entire forest outside. And that night, the entire valley was quiet again. Drogo slept soundly, accompanied by his cute snores.